my name is Shannon Morehouse and I am in Troop 55541, and I just picked up my Trees Legacy Badge Do-It-Yourself Kit. It has a checklist of what you need, what you get to keep, and what you have to return, and this only costs you $15. So let's open it up. So we have a 2-cup measuring cup, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon, and a half a teaspoon. Also, we have 12 wood rounds. We have the instructions booklet that has all of the 5 activities you can do. We have our recognizing your tree thing. We also have where your local fire outlook place is. That is for one of the activities. And then if you have the Cadette booklet, you will also find out all of this is also in the book. It's just about your legacy badge that you have been chosen to do. And then you also have about Arbor Day and why trees are important. And then you also have a booklet on what tree is that. And then we also have a creative wood burner. So we are going to be doing activity 1 in the Trees DIY packet, and we are going to be making apple cider. Okay, so we have our ingredients out. We have 3/4 of a cup white sugar, the allspice, and then the cinnamon. We have a tablespoon of both of those. I have my apples over there in a stock pot. Okay, so we have our strainer and giant measuring cup set up to strain the apple cider. We are going to chill this for overnight. We're just going to cover it and put it in the fridge, and we'll drink some in the morning. It tastes so good. Okay, now it's your turn. Make this at home. I have chosen activity 3, which is wood burning. So we have our safe surface. I have a wood block that my dad had in the backyard. We have our 12 wood rounds. We have our tree booklet. We have our box. We have our extra tips. We have our stand, our wood burner, and don't forget, you're gonna want to have a pencil. So there we go. We have our cute little funky tree.